Hi, how are you?
Good.
Lovely to see you.
So much for welcoming us to Saxe-Mauritscher School.
Absolute pleasure. This was when our school was opened, 9th of October 2013, and Lord Saxe came here together with Rabbi Mervis, and he's the honorary founding principal. And here is part of our education message.
There is only one way to change the world, and that is through education.
Yeah, and that's what we really strive to do. So this is the history of our school here. You can see how it first started in 2009. That was the first class. Okay, I wasn't here then, and we moved here in 2009. Okay, and here you can see there's Rabbi Saxe and the children first coming into this building. That was the old site over there. This was then breaking ground.
So literally.
Yeah, literally.
How has the school grown since its inception?
So, yes.
What kind of numbers?
So that's what it started with, and we're now just over 200 children, 207, 209.
So I can see you've got a lot of these posters up.
Yes.
With Israeli.
Yeah, we put 76 posters up, fun facts about Israel, which the children as they go around the school can read. And here is Rabbi Saxe.
Wow.
And we felt very nice when we were sitting with Talmud, learning. So here at Saxe-Mauritscher, we have a very key value, which is our SMART value, S-M-A-R-T.
Okay, and what does that stand for?
Simcha, which is joy, happiness, midot, good character traits, behavior traits, achdut, unity, togetherness, ruach, energy, spirituality, atmosphere, and last but definitely not least, Torah and keeping mitzvot. And these is what we try to instill in our children. And we have various psukim, various mishnayot. Eza asher sameach bechelko, who is rich? The one who is happy with his or her lot. Right? So we try to teach the children that they should be happy with what they have, celebrate what they're learning, celebrate who they are, and that's what makes a community and brings this school as I think it should do.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Eli, I'm doing something for someone. We're doing some filming. Okay, I'll tell you about it later, alright? Alright. Even though it's a community school, we are a community within a community. And all the rules that we do here, all the things that we try and teach the children, is to have respect for each other, to have make it a nice place to be, but more so than that, it carries on outside of school because the children create things like bake fairs where they do pistaka, where they do from their own driveways, their own
So
homes.
they're encouraged to be engaged in the broader community
Correct.
as well. So these values are very much at the centre of Rabbi Saxe's philosophy, and you're trying to kind of get them to play out through the
and they're building blocks.
day-to-day life.
We're building this wonderful building, if you like, and it's made up of all the things Rabbi Saxe talks about. And it's not one thing or a few things, it's lots of things that all interconnect.
Wow.
We created a timeline to go around the school, and it goes all the way around, follows around the hall. It starts with B'riat HaOlam creation and goes all the way through to the modern state of Israel and to Saxe-Mauritscher and Finchley. And if you notice, we have Mickey Mouse on every time someone passes away, included unfortunately in 2020, Rabbi Saxe who passed away.
Passing of Rabbi Saxe there.
Yeah.
Wow.
But also on the plus side, we also have births.
Yeah.
Blue for boy, pink for girl.
So the name of the school, Saxe-Mauritscher,
Yeah.
is named after the idea of there being a legacy, a Mauritscher,
an inheritance, a Yerusha that's passed on, that we are a link in the chain, and we instill that in the children, that everything that we do is no different than what was done for many, many generations, and it's integral to who we are, what we believe, and how we carry it forward.
Thank you so much
Thank you.
for having us here at Saxe-Mauritscher School.
Been an
Really
absolute
interesting.
pleasure.
Okay,
Thank you.